Hi, thanks for tuning in to another Toddy Cold Brew video today. I'm Matt.
And I'm Will, and today we're going to introduce our Toddy Cold Brew Cupping Kit.
Traditionally, coffee professionals have evaluated coffee using hot brewing methods. This doesn't always translate over to a cold brew. Our cupping kit is designed to allow you to brew your coffee and use sensory analysis along the lines of a traditional cupping method.
The kit is designed to make it easy for you to control variables such as temperature, grind size, and ratio.
Each Toddy cold brew cupping kit includes a laboratory-grade glass brewing vessel with silicone lid, a stainless steel brew basket and tongs, and 24 compostable filters, featuring 12 of our traditional paper filters and 12 of our new tree-free filters. The Toddy cold brew cupping kit is available as a single or as a set of 3. To begin brewing, select a recipe based on a concentrate, ready-to-drink beverage, or a recipe for your own cold brew program. Start by selecting the filter type of your choice. Place the tongs into the filter and insert the filter into the brewing vessel. Next, add coffee. Today we are using a recipe with 60 grams of coffee and 300 milliliters of water to produce a concentrate similar to the recommended recipe of a Toddy cold brew system commercial model. To ensure even saturation, we recommend to pour in a circular fashion. Next, twist the top of the filter closed and place the lid on top of the brewer and align with the spout for potential degassing during the brewing process. Allow to brew for 12 to 24 hours, depending on your recipe. When done brewing, remove the lid and use the tongs to grab the top of the filter, rolling it once or twice to help channel the flow. Next, insert the basket into the brewing vessel. Place the filter bag on the basket to drain. When the filter bag has stopped draining, you can discard the compostable filter and coffee. For your convenience, you may also invert the lid and nest the brewing basket inside to keep surfaces clean and dry. Voila! You now have a cold brew ready to evaluate. When you're ready to perform your sensory analysis, visit coldbrewcupping.com to download the free Toddy Cold Brew Cupping Protocol and form.
To learn more about the Toddy Cold Brew Cupping Kit, visit us at coldbrewcupping.com.
Thanks for tuning in today, and stay tuned for more cold brew videos.